we have a situation where there's something that is going to be far smarter than the smartest human. So, we're not stronger or faster than other creatures, but we are more intelligent. And here we are for the first time, really, in human history, with something that's going to be far more intelligent than us.
What would happen if AI began writing its own code? Could humans still maintain control? It's possible, as AI is advancing rapidly and already surpassing humans in some areas. Stay tuned as we explore 10 remarkable things AI can achieve that humans can't. Welcome to our video. Today, we'll explore how AI is surpassing human abilities in surprising ways, from diagnosing diseases and analyzing data to personalizing experiences and excelling in creative fields. Now, AI is also uncovering patterns and making choices beyond human capabilities. Now, let's talk about 10 incredible things AI can now do, surpassing human abilities. AI is already making remarkable strides in the medical field, often outperforming human doctors in diagnosing diseases. It can precisely diagnose serious conditions like cancer, tumors, heart diseases, and diabetes so accurately. Let's have a look on the success rates of AI in medical field. Apparently, in diagnosing breast cancer, AI tools like Google's DeepMind have an impressive 94.5% accuracy, even reducing false positives compared to human radiologists. And in terms of brain tumors, with 90 to 95% accuracy, AI is helping doctors detect brain tumors faster and with greater precision. And when it comes to heart disease, AI has reached 92 to 95% accuracy in predicting heart disease, surpassing the typical range for human cardiologists. Now let's talk about eye diseases. In diagnosing retinal diseases, AI is hitting an impressive 94 to 98% accuracy, often catching conditions earlier. With its speed, consistency, and ability to spot patterns humans might miss, AI is transforming the way we diagnose and treat medical conditions.
It is too much to catalog, and therefore artificial intelligence is a crucial technological advancement that will allow us to do that. Well, we're using artificial intelligence in clinical applications already to diagnose, for example, a life-threatening illnesses that have a relatively subtle symptoms at presentation. The best example is sepsis, which is a bloodstream infection that is one of the leading causes of death in hospital setting. Yet the beginning of sepsis can be so subtle that clinicians, even when they're very, very attentive, cannot detect it. But if we aggregate the information that is being provided to us from multiple different sources and use artificial intelligence, that leads to earlier detection, earlier treatment, and far better outcomes.
So, this advancement in early disease detection could really make a difference. It might boost survival rates, change how we approach healthcare with more personalized and preventative care, ease the load on hospitals, and help bridge healthcare gaps by bringing diagnostic tools to remote areas. AI has dramatically changed our lives with the advent of deepfakes. This technology allows for the creation of highly realistic fake content, offering significant advantages in content creation. AI can clone voices and generate deepfakes with human-like emotions, reshaping media and entertainment. Platforms like 11 Labs demonstrate this by providing multiple deepfake voiceovers at a low cost. It's visible that AI offers several advantages over human efforts in creating deepfakes. It quickly produces large volumes of realistic content, consistently replicates facial expressions and voice tones without fatigue, and creates highly realistic visuals that can be indistinguishable from real footage. Additionally, AI easily adapts to new data and scenarios, providing flexibility in deepfake production. However, deepfakes also come with risks, especially if misused for criminal activities, raising ethical and security concerns. Think about all the repetitive tasks we do every day: answering emails, filling out forms, organizing files. These are the kinds of things that slow us down, but AI thrives on them. In offices, AI tools automate mundane tasks like scheduling, data entry, or sorting through hundreds of emails. In factories, AI-powered robots assemble products faster and with fewer errors than humans. By taking over these repetitive jobs, AI frees us up to focus on more creative, meaningful work. As Sam Altman says, AI will take over some boring jobs and create new ones for us.
I want to be clear. I think these systems will make a lot of jobs just go away. Every technological revolution does. They will enhance many jobs and make them much better, much more fun, much higher paid. And they'll create new jobs that are difficult for us to imagine, even if we're starting to see the first glimpses of them.
So, the impact of AI in doing repetitive tasks is undoubtedly praiseworthy, as it is upgrading the sequence of our conventional jobs. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI represent a significant advancement in our lives. These vehicles not only handle driving tasks with precision, but also reduce the likelihood of road accidents. For instance, Tesla has already released a version of its autonomous vehicle that can drive on its own in response to voice commands. Autonomous AI vehicles significantly enhance road safety by potentially reducing accidents by up to 90% through constant attention and rapid response. For instance, Waymo has reported an 80% decrease in collision rates in areas with their autonomous cars. Unlike human drivers, AI vehicles don't get distracted or tired, react faster to dangers, and predict other drivers' actions more accurately, setting new benchmarks for road safety. There are places and tasks that are too dangerous for humans, but AI doesn't have that limitation. After the Fukushima nuclear disaster, AI-driven robots were sent in to assess and clean up radioactive materials, doing work that would have been deadly for humans. AI-powered drones are also used in disaster areas, exploring collapsed buildings, or delivering aid to places humans can't reach. It's incredible to think that AI is stepping in where humans can't, ensuring our safety in life-threatening situations. When it comes to making sense of messy, unstructured data, like social media posts, customer reviews, or even legal documents, AI is a game changer. For instance, AI can scan millions of tweets or reviews and quickly identify trends, customer sentiments, or issues with a product, something that would take a human team weeks or months. AI tools like natural language processing, NLP, can understand and interpret human language, allowing companies to analyze text data at a scale we simply can't manage. AI understands us more than we sometimes realize. Ever noticed how Netflix or Spotify seem to know exactly what you want to watch or listen to next? That's AI at work. It analyzes your habits and preferences to recommend movies, shows, or songs tailored just for you. In online shopping, AI recommends products based on your browsing history, creating a personalized experience that feels like it's designed just for you. Humans couldn't process that kind of data in real time, making AI an expert at personalization. AI systems don't just run on their own, they can fix themselves too. In cloud computing, AI constantly monitors for issues, and, if something goes wrong, it can automatically correct the problem without anyone having to step in. This ability to detect and fix errors makes AI incredibly efficient, keeping systems running smoothly while reducing downtime and human intervention. Imagine if your computer or phone could fix itself. AI is already doing that for many high-tech systems. While we need sleep, food, and rest, AI never stops. It can work around the clock without fatigue, making it perfect for jobs that require constant attention, like monitoring security systems or managing online customer service. Chatbots, for example, provide support 24/7, answering questions at all hours, while AI cybersecurity systems scan for threats non-stop. Humans simply can't keep up with that kind of endurance, but AI can ensure things run smoothly even while we're asleep. Here comes the idea of job replacement. A recent research shows that AI will take over nearly 37% of all jobs because of its consistency at work.
According to World Economic Forum, 85 million jobs will be replaced by AI by 2025. And on top of that, PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers, said an estimated 30% of all jobs will be replaced by AI in mid-30s. Goldman Sachs said 300 million jobs are going to be replaced. But a data came out, which is very crazy, breaking down who does AI hurt the most, men or women? Whites, blacks, Hispanics, Asians. Those with a high school diploma, those with bachelors, those with masters, and then what jobs are going to be replaced, what jobs are going to be protected, and then what new skill sets are on the rise. We're going to talk about all of that today.
But AI isn't always a threat. It is enhancing our capabilities in amazing ways, from fast information processing to handling dangerous tasks and personalizing experiences. Sundar Pichai, Google's CEO, has also highlighted how AI will reshape our lives.
What do you think AI is going to look like for them in the next 5 to 10 years?
I think you're going to have some AI which you can talk to or ask to help, and it's going to be available for you, right, at your fingertips. If you're in Google Docs and you're typing something, it corrects your spelling and grammar.
Yeah.
You take it for granted. But AI is going to be there like that for pretty much everything you do in your life. You may be getting ready for an interview and you would just talk to the AI about how to do better, right? And it won't even seem strange to you that you're going to do that. So that notion, it's what, we showed glimpses of it with Project Astra today.
Yeah.
Right? And the fact that there's an AI, it's based on our multimodal model, so it can see what you see.
Yeah.
You can talk, you can ask it to reason about the world. And remember, it's just at the early stages, and these things are going to progress pretty fast.
However, one of the most remarkable things AI can do now is write its own code. By learning from lots of existing code and understanding programming patterns, AI can turn simple, everyday instructions into functional code. This makes coding faster and more accessible, even for people without a technical background. AI handles tasks like debugging and refactoring, allowing developers to focus on complex, creative work. But as AI's coding skills improve, there is concern it might replace some routine programming jobs, prompting developers to adapt by enhancing skills like problem-solving and innovation. As we can see, artificial intelligence is advancing so fast, doing things humans can't. How do you think you'll adapt to these changes? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others interested in AI's future.